Gardening means happiness forever, and we help you achieve that. Falcon Garden Tools introduces you with its range of rotary lawn mowers. This is Commander Roto Drive 50, self-propelled rotary lawn mower with cutting width of 21 inches. It needs very less maintenance and is extremely durable. Rotary lawn mowers have one high-speed rotating blade underneath. The blade cuts the grass on impact due to its tremendously high speed. It also has an optional accessory of disc-type blade. Roto Drive 50 is equipped with a variety of safety and performance features. Equipped with Honda GX V164-stroke petrol engine, Roto Drive 50 is self-propelled and needs no extra effort to propel the mower. Another striking feature of rotary lawn mower is that it is extremely safe with two-lever operation. To start the engine, first press the top lever against the handlebar and then pull the recoil cord. Once the engine starts, rotation of blade begins. Releasing of top lever immediately stops engine and rotating blade. Bottom lever propels the mower. Roto Drive 50's handlebar is rubber padded for comfortable grip. It has a 7-stage centralized height adjuster, allowing cutting height from 25 mm up to 75 mm. It has an attachable 60-liter grass collector. And Roto Drive 50 effectively directs grass clippings into the collector. It also has an option of side discharge. Its powerful blades cuts grass very efficiently and evenly. Roto Drive 50 is equipped with mulch mowing function. With this, the nitrogen-rich clippings are returned to the lawn as a natural fertilizer. While mulching way to collect a bag is closed, leaving a neat finish without the need to collect clippings. Its folding handles allow for easy storage and transport. Because of its compact size and foldable handles, Roto Drive 50 can be stored in garage very easily. In our Power Rotary Lawn Mower series, we also have Falcon Roto Drive 43 with cutting width of 17 inches. This self-propelled rotary lawn mower is equipped with 4-stroke petrol engine, along with rear rollers for classic spike finish and ergonomic design. We also have a range of electric mowers including Roto Drive 46 with cutting width of 18 inches and Roto Drive 33 with cutting width of 13 inches for maintenance-free performance with less noise. To help reach areas which are not easily reachable by lawn mowers, like grass along the wall, paving bricks, etc., we also have Falcon electric grass trimmer with 600-watt motor for domestic use to trim tough overgrowth and define edges very easily to make your lawns and gardens more beautiful. Falcon grass trimmer has nylon head for efficient trimming of weeds and grass. It is very light and has a very easy and safe operating system, which reduces fatigue and improves user comfort. It also has vibration reduction system. With its telescopic extendable handle feature, its length can be adjusted as per user's requirement and comfort. Another unique feature of our trimmer is that its cutting angles are also adjustable and can be adjusted for various angle requirements. It is equipped with a guard which helps to retain gap alongside the walls. To maintain length of nylon wire within workable parameter, there is a fixed blade to cut extra wire. Electric connections of trimmer are very user-friendly.